Greetings. It's Saturday, May 7th morning here. Good to hear everybody. Nice singing over here and over here. Well, yesterday I did a major framing switch. I took the artwork on the left out of the frame that's on the right. It was framed 40 years ago by Alfred Gay, an artist in UW grad who had a art gallery and frame shop, 54th and Meridian in Seattle, just south of Green Lake. This is called the artwork I did in 1982, The Prisoner of Conscience, dedicated to Lech Wałęsa and Solidarity, Solidarność, which was in an exhibit, West 82 Art and Law at the Landmark Center in St. Paul, Minnesota that year. It's published in color, small reproduction, in the West 82 Art and Law catalog book. And I haven't mentioned this artwork to a Polish guide, pilot. Probably, I suspect that particular student guide, pilot in the dorm summer 85 cost me my postgraduate fellowship the following fall, winter, spring, because I had mentioned to him, and I suspect he was working for the Polish government, which was a communist regime at the time. Cost me my postgraduate fellowship. A whole nother story. Anyway, I've had this work sitting in this frame ever since the exhibit 40 years ago, and took it out of the frame yesterday, and I needed a frame, the only one I had that would fit for this artwork. I did in 2004, although portions of it I redid a few years later, some years later. It's called Spiegelmann'ing, My Luftmensch Life. It's like a double self-portrait. Here and here we have Spiegelmann'ing referring to Art Spiegelman, a peer of mine from Queens, New York, famous for his Maus, M-A-U-S books about his parents and the Holocaust and so on. This is my great uncle Liebel, raised in a village near Bialystok in northeast Poland, who had moved to Berlin with his wife Hindel, who was from Lithuania, and they had two children, born in the 1920s. One 1923, one 1910, all four perished, murdered by the Nazis during the Holocaust. Anyway, there are videos of this up. I'm just going to read this here. It says, the pain of rejection, exclamation. When dignity is stripped bare, when a bona fide Jewish coronary with chicken heart omelets fried in olive oil would be so groovy. That's like a postage stamp, 5 cents. Exclamation, Spanish style, upside down. No car, question mark, exclamation, upside down, question mark. Fe. Fe is Yiddish or English. Yeah. Anyway, someone had several women I dated or wanted to date either weren't interested or dumped me because I didn't have a car. And anyway, there you have it. Spiegelmann'ing, My Luftmensch Life. Parakeets, are you taking in this big budgie over here? Yeah? Good. Don't get frightened by the cat here, about to bite the tail of the mouse over there. All right, there you have it. Whew. Okay, be safe, everybody. Watched ABC News last night, May 6th, evening world news. And the CDC report they're expecting 100 million COVID infections in the United States this coming autumn into winter 2022, 2023, which is just staggering, mind-blowing. So all I can say is be safe.